Friends, this is Mohammed Miran and you're watching Journey in Salesforce. As we have previously seen the unboxing of our second Journey to Salesforce swag, in this video we're going to see the last and final swag of Journey to Salesforce, and we're going to see the unboxing of Journey to Salesforce swag of third. This is the final swag you will ever receive. I am very much excited for this. So if you have not watched my previous video of unboxing of second swag, please watch it on the I link above, or I'll give the description link in the description. Please go and watch. It's really exciting, and it believe me guys, you really enjoyed it. So watch this full video to get the insights. So without wasting any time, so let's get started. So this is how the third swag looks like. You can see my name here, right? Don't know what is there inside. Looks very small. I thought I'll receive a big pack. Don't know what it is inside. Very small, very small it looks like. Let's see what is inside. So let's address inside. Let's check it out. What is there inside, right? So guys, I have received the pop socket here. I thought I'll receive a t-shirt, but it's good. Let's unbox this also, right? Looks premium. There is a sticker here. You can remove the sticker and you can make it your phone to stick, right? And you can hold like this. Looks really cool. Good branding, Salesforce branding. Our favorite Salesforce branding here. Once again, this is the last and final swag, the third swag. So if you have guys have not watched the previous swag unboxing, I'll give the link, I link above, and in the description also you can go and watch that. So yeah, it's looking good, looking premium. And thanks once again for Journey to Salesforce giving me the swag. This is the final swag. Just keep this aside. Yeah, it's good. So thank you guys for watching my channel, watching again in Salesforce. If you like my content, if you like my hard work, please do subscribe and share this channel and support me guys to make you updated with latest Salesforce knowledge. Thank you guys. This is Mohammed Miran and you're watching again in Salesforce. Thank you so much.